Chloe, is it raining?
Yeah.
What'd you think about it? Huh? Go out there and play in it.
I don't like it.
Come on.
I don't like it.
Go play in it. Why can't you go play in it?
Because I don't like that rain.
You were just in it a minute ago.
It's trying to make me scream.
Chloe, what do you think about the rain? Huh?
It's nice.
It's nice. Oh, look at it now. There's lots of rain. Hell yes. This is awesome. Look. Wow.
I'm going to go back in the house.
It's okay. It won't hurt us. It's just a lot of water, baby. Say bye-bye. Say it's raining.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. It's longer. I like